Elytra. What about Elytra? Maybe you've heard the name. It's wings. How do you get those wings upgraded? Right? You need an anvil for sure. And here it is. Here's my anvil. Boom. We need Elytra. Open up that inventory if you're in creative mode. Get those Elytra wings. As you can see, I already have some decked out right here. There's only 4 different kinds of Elytra upgraded wings you can make. Alright, here they go. On Wikipedia, Elytra wings. You can enchant them with only these 4 things. Unbreaking. Book of Unbreaking. Book of Mending. Book of Curse of Vanishing. Book of Curse of Binding. That makes sense, right? Unbreaking, mending, vanishing, binding. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Mending. Boom. Got it. What else do we need? We need binding. We need vanishing. What's the last one? Unbreaking. Level 3, though. Okay, those are the books. And then we take our Elytra wings on our anvil. Elytra wings on the anvil. Boom. There they are. That's the mending. As you can see, Curse of Binding also works. Curse of Vanishing, of course. And, most importantly, Unbreaking Level 3 Elytra wings. I think that's the best one. Because your wings won't break, right? Okay, what else am I doing today? Dropper. Let's go. Because Elytra wings, yeah. It makes sense. You could also do like a course. One of my students did it. I thought it was amazing. Where you glide through different hoops. Anyways. What's this for? On your way up. Also, you can parkour. So, if you're building one of these, you're climbing up here. Climbing. And then you reach this section. Then you have to parkour around the side on your way up. You know what I'm saying? So, you have some fun. You can also put in some sound with your music disc, and you also need a jukebox. Alright, I'm going to put some music in here. I think I can. It's a tough angle. Can I? Can I? Do I have to be closer? Oh, alright, there we go. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's popping. Anyways, I put that, then you fly up. In case you didn't know also, because I'm telling you everything you didn't know, 256 block limit. Notice that the music, you can no longer hear it. That's why I put in more jukeboxes up here. Okay? Pop some. Oh, they were already full. Here we go. If you have 3 jukeboxes and you go bop, 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 then it echoes in the perfect way as far as I'm concerned, getting you super hyped. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Okay, then you get into your dropper game. Where's my way down? Okay, I'm looking black. Still hear the music popping. Oof, 3. Boom. That might hurt you a little bit, but I think you survived that in regular survival mode. Also, yeah, if you want the full test, you should switch from creative mode to survival mode on your way down. Alright, here we go. There's a 1 block difference. Damn. Also, how do you do something like this, right? Let me hover before I do my final jump. How do you build off the side? You needed some sort of stone. Same way you build this up into the sky, you can build off of your base, right? And then break the bottom. Break what's attaching it. Same way you build it to the sky, and you can break any blocks you need to on the way up. Alright, last jump. Here we go. Switching to survival mode. How to switch to survival mode in Minecraft, but I'm on Java. Boom, type it in. Back in the game, press T to bring in the in-game console. Enter the command /game mode C to change your game mode to creative mode. What about survival though? Press, game mode S. Boom, here we go. Back to the game. /game mode survival. Why didn't I think of that? Why did I not think of that? I am in survival mode for the last jump. Where is my last jump? Ah, come on, baby. Right in the water. Oh. Cut to black.